Hey there! Welcome back to another Black Belt membership training. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or update your tax settings inside the software. Whether you're collecting sales tax on uniforms or service tax on memberships, getting this set up the right way is important to keep your billing accurate and your school compliant. Let's walk through it step by step so you know exactly what to do. Whether you're just getting started or you've been using the system for a while, it's important to know how to set up your sales and service taxes correctly, especially if you're running a professional operation that wants to stay compliant. Quick heads up, only account owners and admin users have access to make changes to tax settings. So make sure you're logged in with the right permissions before we begin. Step by step, updating taxes. Head over to your location admin. If you've got more than one school location, make sure you're working inside the correct one. You can double-check this by hitting the Home button, choosing the right location, and then jumping back into your admin settings. Click on Settings. You'll see a tab labeled Taxes. Go ahead and click on that. Now, let's look at what you've got. In this example, you'll see all the current tax settings. If it's showing 0.00%, comma, that just means nothing's been added yet. No worries. We'll fix that now. Example, adding a sales tax. Let's say you need to set up a 7% sales tax. Click Edit next to Sales Tax. In the field that pops up, enter it as a decimal. So for 7%, you'd type in 0.07 and hit Enter. You'll now see that updated on the screen. Perfect. Need to change it later? Just repeat the process and adjust the number. Maybe your sales tax is 8%. Same idea. Just enter 0.08, comma, and hit Update. What's the difference? Sales tax versus service tax? This part can trip people up, so here's a quick breakdown. Sales tax is usually what your local city or county requires on goods you sell, like gear, uniforms, or equipment. Service tax might apply to things like memberships or tuition, but it really depends on where your school is located. For example, here in Florida, we don't have a service tax on memberships, but other states might. So make sure to check your local laws. If you do need to charge a service tax, it works the same way. Just click Edit next to Service Tax, enter the right decimal, like 0.05 for 5%, and hit Update. And that's all there is to it. Now, you know how to set up both sales and service taxes inside Black Belt membership. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference when it comes to staying organized and keeping your business running smoothly. If you have any questions or need a hand, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to support you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next training.